Here is the happy news. Even 4 seconds of high intensity interval training can make phenomenal improvement in our fitness. Do you want to save time and yet be fit?
Hi, this is my wife Chinmayi.
And this is my husband Shri.
If this is your first time here and it's your passion to be extremely fit, happy and you want to live long, then remember to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Hi, this is Sri. We have something in common. We all want to be fit, right? Here is the happy news. Even 4 seconds of high intensity interval training can make phenomenal improvement in our fitness. Do you want to save time and yet be fit? Do you want the efficient way to spend least amount of time for your overall fitness? In this video, I will share the shortest and very efficient way for the extremely busy. Apply them to your life and see how life transforms. Now we have no excuse for not exercising. I don't have any shortness to fitness, nor I recommend any, especially myself being a marathon runner. However, I am pleasantly surprised by a recent New York Times article that came in December 2020. I'll share the links on the importance of high intensity interval training HIIT, that even 4 seconds of it can produce significant benefits. This short video talks about how I have assembled the HIIT workout. You can watch this video and do this on your own, or I will provide 2 more videos which are purely workout without any introductions or explanations. One for 10-minute duration and the other one for 20 minutes duration. You can choose the one that fits your schedule. Let's dive in. I want to tell you one thing. In my long distance runs, every week I include high intensity interval training. I have seen how it is efficient in terms of using less time, giving maximum benefits. Apart from my weekly HIIT training, I also do my half marathons or 10Ks. First, let's look at why should we do HIIT. It is quick and saves time. You can burn calories quickly. Researchers have found that HIIT burns 20 to 30% more calories for the same duration, and it continues to burn even after our workout. HIIT also was found to shift our metabolism more towards fat for energy rather than carbs. This can help us lose fat, especially visceral fat. And for the less active, it is very effective in building muscle mass. HIIT improves a parameter called VO2 max. That is the oxygen imbibing capacity of our system. I have my fitness watch that also indicates my VO2 max reading, and I can see the improvement. VO2 max is the maximum oxygen that our body can use during our exercise. Regular practice of HIIT also improves our resting heart rate. Improves means it lowers our heart rate. My resting heart rate is in the range of 40s. I am approaching 65th year. For a 65-year-old person, a resting heart rate of 40 is phenomenal, and thanks to my regular running habit and HIIT workouts. Let me tell you an important thing. Make sure that you check with your doctor before you begin this HIIT workout. Let's understand how we do HIIT. It essentially involves 4 components: warming up, then a very high intensity short spell, then normal or reduced intensity period, and this high intensity and reduced intensity is repeated 6 or 8 times, then cooling down. Generally for high intensity we run for 20 seconds or more. In my case, I run for 2 minutes of high intensity run. Then we slow down or walk for 1, 2 or 3 minutes. And in the New York Times article, researchers have found that even 4 seconds of high intensity is beneficial. I have assembled this fitness workout in this fashion. It has 40 seconds of yogic stretches, 20 seconds of plank, 4 seconds of high intensity. So this is repeated for 10 minutes. Same thing is repeated for 20 minutes workout as well. You can choose what fits your schedule. Let's understand the components of this workout. First, let's begin sitting in the yogic posture called Vajrasana for just 5 seconds. This is good for stretching quads, knees and ankle joints. Then we fall forward and stretch to child's pose. stretch and rest for 20 seconds. This stretches glutes, lower back, hamstring muscles, as well as chest and shoulders. Then come up to inverted dog pose for 10 seconds. This is good for a complete back, starting from the back of the heel, calf, hamstring, glutes, back and even shoulders. Then on to plank for 20 seconds for strengthening the core. And we come back to inverted dog. Now do the high intensity part, that is on the spot running as fast as you can for 4 seconds, say 8 cycles. Now repeat the entire thing from start, that is sit in Vajrasana, child's pose, inverted dog, plank, back to inverted dog, and 4 seconds of high intensity. We will repeat this entire process till we complete 10 or 20 minutes. Now we should not allow a single day pass by without doing exercise. Agreed? I am providing 2 links for these follow along videos. Good luck. Remember to stay fit. It's your right to be extremely fit. To access more such life-transforming, inspirational videos for extreme fitness, happiness and long life, click the links on this page. And remember to share, subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And thanks so much for watching and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.